Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about virus classification. Classification of virus. There are mainly four different types of classification system exists for virus classification. First and most important one is the International Committee on the Taxonomy of Virus. It is the formal authority in classifying virus. And second one is Baltimore classification system. And third is Holmes classification system of virus. And last one is LST system of viral classification. So all these classification systems are mainly based on the morphology of the virus, type of nucleic acid present in the virus, mode of viral replication, host organisms in which the virus survive, and the type of diseases viruses cause. And the International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus, it is a formal authority which classifies viruses into different groups. And Baltimore system, it is also a widely accepted system, and it classifies viruses into 7 groups based on the manner in which they synthesize their mRNA. And first one is International Committee on the Taxonomy of Virus. It is otherwise called ICTV. It is based on 2 rules. Virus classification and nomenclature shall be international and universally applied to all viruses. The universal virus classification system, it includes some hierarchical orders like order, family, subfamily, genus, species, etc. And this is the ICT system of viral classification. Here it starts from rillum and it ends with the species. And rillum, the name of the rillum will ends with viria, V-I-R-I-A, viria. Subrillum, the name will ends with V-I-R-A, that is vira. Then likewise kingdom, virae, subkingdom, virites, phylum, viricota, subphylum, viricotina, class, viricids, subclass, viricetidae, order, virales, suborder, virinae, family, viridae, subfamily, virinae, genus, virus, and subgenus also virus. Next is Baltimore classification. Baltimore system of viral classification, it is named after the famous scientist David Baltimore, and he introduced the system of virus classification in 1971, and he classified viruses into 7 groups depending upon their type of nucleic acid, their strand, that is either single stranded or double stranded, then the sense of their nucleic acid, positive or negative sense, and mode of replication, and all these 7 groups are designated by Roman numerals. So this is the Baltimore system of viral classification. Here viruses are grouped in 7 groups. Group 1, it include double-stranded DNA virus. It include adenoviruses, pox viruses, etc. And group 2 include single-stranded DNA viruses. They are positive sense DNA viruses. Example, parvoviruses. And group 3 include double-stranded RNA viruses. Example, reoviruses. And group 4 include positive sense single-stranded RNA viruses. Positive sense RNA viruses. The example are coronaviruses. Then group 5 include negative sense single-stranded RNA viruses. Negative sense is otherwise called antisense, so it includes antisense RNA viruses. Example, orthomyxoviruses and rhabdoviruses. And group 6 includes single-stranded RNA RT virus. RT virus means retrovirus. They are positive sense RNA virus with the DNA intermediate in their life cycle. We know that for viral retroviral replication, they should produce a DNA intermediate to incorporate into the host genome using the reverse transcriptase enzyme. So this group 6 include this RNA with the DNA intermediate in their life cycle. And group 7, it includes double-stranded DNA retroviruses with DNA with the RNA intermediate in the life cycle. So they are having this, they are possessing DNA, but they will produce an RNA intermediate in the life cycle. So hepatitis viruses are example, hepDNA viruses are example of this double-stranded RNA retroviruses. Then Baltimore classification of DNA virus. Group 1, this group 1 possesses double-stranded DNA virus. Chickenpox, herpes viruses are included in group 1. Group 2, they possess a single-stranded DNA. Then group 3, group 4 and group 5 are RNA viruses. This peculiarity of these RNA viruses is that they are possessing RNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme, and they belong to the realm Riboviriae, and the kingdom is Orthonaviriae. So here the kingdom names ends with virae, and the realm name it ends with viria. Then group 3 viruses, they possess a double-stranded RNA genome. Example, rotavirus. Group 4 viruses possess positive and single-stranded RNA genome, and many well-known pathogens are included in this group. Human pathogens like picorna virus. Then picorna virus family include hepatitis A virus, enterovirus, rhinovirus, poliovirus, foot and mouth disease causing virus, then SARS virus, hepatitis C virus and rubella virus. All these viruses belongs to the group 4 category. And group 5, it includes viruses possessing negative and single-stranded RNA genome, and it includes Ebola virus, influenza virus, measles virus, mumps and rabies virus. Reverse transcribing virus. All viruses that encode a reverse transcriptase enzyme will come under this group, and this group include the group 6 and group 7. And group 6 is characterized by viruses possessing single-stranded RNA, and they replicate by means of a DNA intermediate. So HIV virus of the retrovirals group will come under this group 6. And this group 7, they are characterized by virus which possess double-stranded DNA genome and replicate using a reverse transcriptase enzyme. Hepatitis B viruses are included in this group 7. And next is Holmes classification. This is a simple type of viral classification which was introduced by Holmes in 1948, and it is based on Cole-Linne's system of binomial nomenclature. And it classifies viruses mainly into 3 groups which all come under single order virials, and these 3 groups are group 1, it includes phaginae that attack bacteria, that is mainly bacteriophages are coming under this phaginae group. And group 2, it includes phytophaginae, viruses that attack plants. So plant viruses are included in the group 2, phytophaginae. And group 3, zoophaginae, that are viruses attacking animals. So zoophaginae include animal viruses. So that is all about the Holmes classification system of virus. And the last one is LST system of virus classification. It was introduced by 3 scientists, namely Lopf, Horn and Tournier in 1962. And this LST system of virus classification, it is based upon the features of virus such as nucleic acid, symmetry of the virus, either it is helical, icosahedral or complex, then presence of envelope, then diameter of the capsid and number of capsomeres. Then this classification, it was approved by the Provisional Committee on the Nomenclature of Virus, PNVC. It is based on International Association of Microbial Society. So this came into effect in 1962. And LST system of virus classification, according to the LST system of classification, the viruses are included. The viruses are included in a single phyla, that is phylum Vira, and this phylum Vira, it is divided into two subphylum, that is subphylum Deoxyvira, which include DNA virus, and subphylum Ribovira, which include this RNA virus. First one is subphylum Deoxyvira, and this DNA virus subphylum is divided into three classes: class Deoxybinala, class Deoxyhelica, and class Deoxycubica. Class Deoxybinala means they are having dual symmetry. Class Deoxyhelica include members with helical symmetry, and class Deoxycubica, here the virus were possessing cubical symmetry. And this subphylum Ribovira, it include RNA viruses, and it is again classified into two classes. The subphylum include two classes, class Ribocubica and class Ribohelica. So these are all about the classification of the virus. Then this is a diagrammatic representation for classifying the DNA virus. DNA viruses are mainly classified into double-stranded viruses, single-stranded DNA virus, and complex DNA virus. Double-stranded is again classified into enveloped and non-enveloped virus. Enveloped virus include herpes viridae, and this non-enveloped virus, it include those viruses possessing a circular DNA, and those viruses possessing a linear DNA, and for the non-enveloped viruses possessing circular DNA, example is Papoviridae, and those non-enveloped virus possessing a linear DNA, example is Adenoviridae. Then single-stranded viruses, single-stranded DNA viruses are enveloped. Then example is Parvoviridae, and this DNA viruses with complex symmetry, and they are non-enveloped, example Poxviridae. Then classification of RNA virus. RNA virus are classified mainly into three: single-stranded positive sense RNA, single-stranded negative sense RNA, and double-stranded RNA virus. Single-stranded positive sense is again classified into enveloped and non-enveloped virus. Enveloped virus is again classified into icosahedral and helical, and non-enveloped is classified into icosahedral. And this single-stranded negative sense virus, it include enveloped helical virus, and this double-stranded RNA virus include non-enveloped icosahedral virus. So these are all about the classification of virus.